All right, so this is gonna be a video that's basically like a really quick teacher hack on how to turn anything on your screen basically into a whiteboard. You do have to have a graphics tablet, so I have one of these right here. So if you do have one of these and you're teaching with it, it definitely comes in handy. But say I teach math, so I have these practice problems here, and a student has a question on one of them and they wanna see it kind of worked out or some manipulated somehow in some way. So what you can do with a Windows machine anyway, which you can do this with a Mac as well. But say I wanted to, say a student had a question on something with these graphs, what you can do is hold Shift, Windows button, and S, and it does, here, hold on, let me get rid of this dismiss here. Shift, Windows button, and S, and what it does is you can screenshot a certain part of the screen, and then it brings up this right here, it says snip save to clipboard, and you can click this here and it opens it up here. So it brings you to a screen that looks like this. It says snip and sketch, and you can choose what color of marker that you want to use. Let's just use blue, for example. And then you can kind of analyze like a certain problem, like say I wanted to analyze B and then just kind of talk about it. You can write like right on the screen and use arrows, and I don't know, it's just easier to explain things to students doing it this way. And then if you want, you can save it, and then you can copy and paste it in a Jamboard or wherever else. It comes in really handy when you want to screenshot like graphs and stuff like that, or just like if it's a really involved problem and you don't have like a piece of paper printed out for it. So that's kind of what it's great for. So if you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.